just arrived at Bike Week. Last day, this is Sunday, Laconia Bike Week that is, 2021. And wow, I can't believe the turnout. Oh my God. I'm here with my good friend John. John, say hi to the people.
Hey people.
All right. And well, he is, he's running this, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a Ducati, that's right. All right. It's a GoPro. Yes. Yeah. That is cool.
You're gonna be on the internet tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. You guys are gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be movie stars. All right. Look at that. What do we got here? Oh gosh, my back's hurting just looking at it. Dude, how do you turn on that? How do you turn on that tire? I don't know. My back's hurting already. Yeah, right? Oh my gosh. I know. Wow, that's all right. Yeah, all the hose. That's something to look at, not to ride for me. Hope you with that. Yeah, but what do we got over here? That's an inside joke. He cried because I came up here last year and I didn't get him a shirt, so what can I say? The other one ordered one though. And look at, they probably don't make shirts that small anyways. Oh, there you go, that's there you go. He's doing some off-roading with that bad boy, up from Mass too. With that Army bedroll. Yeah, very nice. Oh, look at this one. As much as I don't like okay, so I really don't like tricycles, but memory. Oh, I like that too. Oh my, heck yeah. I hope you can get all of this. Oh, is this yours? Very nice. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Look at that seat too, man. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, and it's a 4-speed on the floor too? Oh, that's great. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that's awesome. Oh, I like that little box too, man. Let's make sure we're getting this. I hope we get all of this. This is nice. I like it. Nice. All right. Yeah, we're never gonna make it to lunch. He made it?
Yeah, the whole thing is
really
all made by hand. Took him 6 years.
Wow. Good for you, man. Wow. That's all right. That's all right. I like the ammo cans on back. Very nice. Very nice. Wow, thank you. That's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Up the hill there. Oh, that's beautiful. This is just absolutely incredible. So I can't remember a Sunday being this good. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, someone's just learning how to ride up there. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. Let's see what we can get from here. How's that? Yeah? That's good. That's probably pretty good. That's almost reminiscent of the last one. All right. What do we got going on here? Experimental. I guess we're gonna go to the moon. Can we go to the moon? Pilot Brian. That's all right. That is all right. Let's see what we got here. All right, let's see. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. Holy smokes. Oh, we're not seeing anything in there. Okay. Oh, he's got his highway pass. Oh, that's incredible. He's got his toll booth pass in there. Oh, that's awesome. Where's the plate? NASA. Oh, that's great. Well,
incredible, isn't it?